The Infinity Science Center, located in the Mississippi Gulf Coast region, offers a blend of space, earth science, engineering, and technology, along with innovative programming. With fascinating exhibits inside and out, visitors to the 35,000 square foot Science Center can spend hours learning and exploring through hands-on exhibits, attractions, and cinematic productions. See what life is like on the International Space Station, gaze upon space relics, and discover the depths of the sea with the interactive Deep Ocean Explorer exhibit. Construct a house and see if your home can withstand hurricane force winds. The Infinity Science Center has attractions and exhibits to delight and educate visitors of all ages, and should definitely be a stop on your journey along Mississippi's Gulf Coast.